Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by narrowing where you look. Open File Explorer or Finder and go straight to the folder likely holding work files. Once there, switch to Details View and sort by modified date so the newest spreadsheets rise to the top. If you don't see them, type date, today, or kind. Excel in the search box to filter by date and file type. Make sure to include common extensions like XLSX, XLS, and CSV to catch exports and older formats. Next, expand the search. In Explorer or Finder, enter asterisk, XLSX or asterisk, XLS and add modified, this week to limit to recent edits. Once done, open Excel itself and go to File, Open, Recent. Excel maintains a list that may be faster than System Search. Also, check Cloud Sync folders like OneDrive or SharePoint. Make sure your sync client is running and set to show offline files so newly synced sheets appear. If multiple users edit, sort by modified time to find the latest version. To finish, verify you have the correct latest file. If it's missing, open Excel's Auto Recover or Recent Unsaved Workbooks under File, Info to restore lost edits. Once restored, compare modified timestamps and use OneDrive or SharePoint version history to confirm which version is authoritative. If you find conflicting copies, open each, validate critical cells or totals, then consolidate changes into a single final workbook and save with a clear timestamp name. If you still can't find it, check Recycle Bin and Sync status. Those fixes solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.